Oh, good. No matter how injured you are, gotta keep on going. Eric, that was like 5 strokes.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
No, I'm doing it. No.
Okay, Connor, you go on there.
No, that hurts. I'm not dumb.
Connor, you're a pussy.
Okay, Eric, I don't want to get hit in the face.
Outside.
Yeah, outside? Let's do it inside.
And it's raining.
One more.